We can't even imagine how important technology has become for us humans in today's time. All the things we are using, like mobile, TV, etc., are all a group of technology. Technology has made it easier or has solved many problems. New ways of working are continuously changing as needed. New technology has become developed and this trend is going to continue. Through the internet, we get any information from the whole world immediately. Information exchange has become easy. Today's time information technology is being used in many fields, whether it is education, health or transport. Therefore, it has increased to provide the education about information technology to the students in schools or in colleges. Now this has become so important in today's time. So today in this video I will share all the information related to information technology with you. So that's why do watch the video completely. So first of all we have to know that what is information technology. Information technology, in short, it is called IT, or in simple languages, computer and telecommunication goes under information technology. If understood in easy language, the study, design, development and management of systems like computers and telecommunication are done under IT. The term IT is widely used in the field of business and computers. Everything related to computer represents information technology, which means the work performed by computers and the things related to it, such as internet, network data, management, software, website, database and the part of internet. Information technology is that within which work related to computer technology is done. Information technology has spread a lot in today's time. Today the whole world is connected with internet, software and hardware. Human life is changing rapidly due to information technology. In information technology, we have got many tools like video, internet, mobile and computer. Today's education is affected by all sectors like health, business, entertainment, telecommunication, etc. Today, these sectors are depend on information technology than before. From a better communication to an important option like online payment, we have to adopt IT. To increase the business is possible only because of IT. Through this, millions of customers can be reached. Most of the companies are using information technology such as artificial intelligence to grow their business and serve the customers better. Any problem can be resolved with online support by calling customers which are using it. In the development of information technology, the education system has completely changed. Through today, online education can be taken sitting at home. Online video, information about any subject applications are available. Mobile phone networks are used to communicate via email to computers. Telephone and internet service has been brought together through information technology inside a phone. With the invention of technologies like computers and mobiles, we have got many means of entertainment in our life. Today, movies, songs, music, video games can be easily accessed through internet. Along with the development of IT, many problems like online fraud, thefts are emerged, after which information technology security was created. Under this, important functions such as computer network data is kept out of reach of others. When one wants to view his or her bank account information through online portal, IT security ensures that apart from his or her, no one can see their account information. Information technology has played a vital role in improving the system in medical sector, space science sector and many more. Now we will know what are the benefits of information technology. In today's time, information technology has become and our society is connected to each other from social media platforms to online education. IT is being used. Information technology has helped human beings a lot in making new inventions. Now let's talk about more benefits coming from information technology. With the revolution in the field of information technology, today we can communicate with each other through voice calls and through video calls. Before IT, we can't get weather information at the right time. Will it rain earlier or not? It was very difficult to find out. But today we can easily find out the weather information. Information technology has created many jobs. Thousands of people work in countless positions in the IT sector like computer programmer, hardware developer, software developer, web designer, etc. IT is not a single subject, it's a large industry and it's a very well career option. Guys, I hope you have got full information about information technology from this video. If you want to give any suggestions, please write in the comment section. Guys, please subscribe to my channel to get more content related to technology.